I'm Tim Gibson, and I'm going to talk to you about some basic troubleshooting tips for your washing machine. Now, there's just a few things that may go wrong with your washing machine. One is your power. If you don't have any power at all, you may want to go back to your breaker box and make sure that the breaker that controls this circuit is in the on position, is not tripped. If it is, just simply reset it and that'll solve your problem. The next thing is you want to make sure that it hasn't come loose from the outlet in the wall here. Another common problem that you have with your washing machine is you may have some residual water in your basin after running a cycle. In that case, it may not be draining properly. Now that can be either caused by your pump, or it could be caused by a clog either in your drain line or in the drain itself. In behind the washer, you have your drain line that comes out from the washing machine, comes up and then goes into this drain here. Now it's a good idea to do routine maintenance on that drain by either putting a baking soda vinegar mix down through there or simply pouring Clorox down there. And that'll help keep that line clear. You may also need to disconnect that line, the drain line, from the back of your washing machine just to check and make sure that it doesn't have any clogs. If it does, you can just simply clear that by using a clothes hanger or running a hose through the line itself. Another thing to look at if you are having some problems with your cycle is just double check and make sure that all your knobs, sometimes these knobs, when you're switching them, if you do it kind of quick, it may get stuck halfway in between and the washing machine is not going to operate properly. Most of these knobs come with a detent in it, so you should hear an audible click when it's in the correct position. So if you check those things, you should be able to take care of most of the problems you have with your washing machine. I'm Tim Gibson with some troubleshooting tips for your washing machine.